Assalamu alaikum for class. Today we are going to start unit number 3, that is the plant's world. So start the reading. Parts of a plant. There are 4 main parts to a plant: root, stem, leaf and flower. Students, a plant has 4 parts. This is a diagram of a plant. This is the roots that are under the soil. And this is the stem. Stem जो होती है वो एक तना होता है. Flowers, these are flowers and these are leaves. Clear? Now, the roots absorb water and minerals from the ground. They also help to anchor the plant in the ground. These are the roots and they absorb water from the soil and minerals from the soil so that it can give energy to the whole plants. Also it help to anchor the plant in the ground. और ये जो रूट्स हैं वो प्लांट को ज़मीन के अंदर मजबूती के साथ जकड़े रखने में भी हेल्प करता है. दिस इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ रूट. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ the stem has several functions. Now what are the functions of stem? It transports water from the plant. It also supports the leaves and flowers, particularly against wind. Students, stem transport water to the whole plant. जो स्टेम है वो वाटर लेती है ग्राउंड से, रूट से और सारे पौधे के अंदर वाटर को ट्रांसपोर्ट करती है और ये हेल्प करती है लीव्स को और फ्लावर्स को ताकि वो विंड के अगेंस्ट जो है वो खड़े हो सकें. क्लियर? सम स्टेम्स हैव स्पाइक्स और हेयर्स दैट प्रोटेक्ट द plant from insects and small animals. You know that some plants have spikes and small hairs, just like a rose. Rose has a hard spikes on its stem that help the plant from to just protect the plant from the insects and small animals. The cactus uses its stem to store water, and a cactus is a plant that its stem is used to store the water. This is the function of stem. Next, leaves have very important function. These are the leaf, green color, and it has a very important function. They are the place where food is produced. You know that the whole food is produced in leaves. The system of producing food is called photosynthesis, and the system of producing food is called photosynthesis. Leaves contain a green substance called chlorophyll, which is why leaves are green most of the time. You know that students, always we see that leaves are green. This is because there is a green color pigment that is called chlorophyll. You know that if you rub a leaf on your hand, you will see that a green color appear on your hand. That is chlorophyll. The chlorophyll converts energy from the sun, and when this is combined with water and carbon dioxide, food is produced. You know that the green pigment that is chlorophyll वो एनर्जी को और सनलाइट को क्या करती है, आपस में कंबाइन करती है वाटर और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के साथ, जिससे फूड बनता है जो कि पूरा प्लांट यूज़ करता है. दिस इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ लीव्स. नाउ फ्लावर्स प्रोड्यूस सीड्स विच form new plants. You know that there are flowers and the seeds are produced on flowers. However, not all plants have flowers. Flowers have several important parts in them which you will learn about later. There are a lot of more information that is we will read in next classes. Clear students? Now pick up your notes. See unit number 3, plants world. Answer the questions. First question is, write the parts of plants. Question number 2, what is the function of root? Answer is here. Question number 3, what is the function of stem? Answer is here. Question number 4, why some stems have spikes and hairs on them? Answer is here. Now turn your page. Question number 5, what is the function of leaves? Question number 6, why leaves are green most of the time? Answer is here. Question number 7, what part does the leaf play in the growth of a plant? Next, Question number 8. What is the function of flower? Students, these are the questions related to your topic, so learn them very carefully. Thank you so much.